All right, so we're making a video here about side postulate. This one's my favorite. Okay, this one we're going to use it as we will all of these to prove triangles are congruent to each other. So this one says if three sides of one triangle are congruent to three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So if you look down here at the bottom, we have our two triangles, okay, and they have three different sides that all correspond to another side in the other triangle, which they're congruent to. So we have this guy here, which is congruent to the guy down here that also has one little mark. Okay, and then we have our second set of congruent sides there. We can tell they're congruent because they have those little marks there. And then a third set of congruent sides. Hence, side postulate. The name tells you everything. Okay, we also refer to this SSS. Now, one other thing, sometimes they don't mark them congruent. Sometimes they actually just give you measurements. So they could say this guy is 10, this guy is 6, and this guy is, let's go with 11, okay? So even though they don't always mark them congruent, they'll tell you in another way, like they have the same measure, which by the definition of congruency, those would be congruent sides then too. So that is side. As always, if you're still struggling to understand this, ask your teacher.